Welcome to RPGuru Tech Talk. My name is Renu Prasad. In this video, I will show you how to take a portrait video you made and convert it to a landscape video using Microsoft Clipchamp. It's a very simple method. It takes you a couple of seconds to do it. Let's take a look. Open Clipchamp and pull the video you want to update. So hit the plus sign to add it to your timeline. And then once if you see the video is actually portrait, I need to make it horizontal. So now select the video and then you'll see an icon there. Use the left arrow, left mouse button to drag it anti-clockwise or clockwise. And then it shows, and then say the size is wide, which is basically a landscape. And then click on the video again on that part where you just rotated and hit on more, or you can hit on fit. So it basically fits into the into your screen. So basically now it's your landscape video. So you should, if you see now, if I play the video, you can see that it's playing in landscape. Hope this video helps you. Talk to you soon. Thank you.